The tropical rainforest is located in many three different global locations. Central America, Africa is main basin with small area in West Africa, and Madagascar, and Malaysia, west coast of India. The precipitation range is about 3 centimeter inches, average of 50 to 60 inches, and 125 to 660 centimeters of rain falls yearly. Um, the soil type. The soil types are shallow, very poor in nutrients, and almost without soluble minerals. Short nutrients. Short nutrients. All right. Um, and it covers less than 6% of Earth's land surface. Scientists estimate that more than half of all the world's plants and animal species live in tropical rainforests, produce 40% of the Earth's oxygen. Um, Average of 50 to 260 inches and 125 to 660 centimeters of rain falls yearly. Rarely gets higher than 93 degrees or drops below 68 degrees. Average humidity between 77% and 88%.